This is Dave. Welcome to Hemi Garage Hacks. Today I've got two Hemi motors and we're going to put them into this ram to make a V16. Nah, just kidding, but wouldn't that be awesome? Now the plan today is actually we're going to take this motor, put it in here. We're going to take this motor and we're going to put it in there. We're going to take the afternoon, install these, and we're going to fire it up and you're going to hear the difference and tell you at the end of the video what the difference is. It's actually surprising and pretty cool as far as doing installations from here on out. So let's get started. Okay, this one is done, so on to the next one. Okay, so we just finished up this truck and we finished up that truck a couple hours ago. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over there and start that truck. I've got a mic on me, of course, and then I've got a mic here. I'm going to set this on the battery there, start it up. We'll see what it sounds like, and then we'll come back over here to this and do the same thing. See if we notice any difference. Okay. Oh yeah. You hear those lifters? That's normally what you'll hear when you'll start up a Hemi when you first do an install. So all the oil gets there, pressure's up, kind of bleeds off. In a couple minutes, it'll be quiet again. So I'll come back and do that and bleed that and it'll be quiet again. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same exact thing on this other truck, which is the whole reason we did 2 in the afternoon, because I wanted to do a comparison side by side. I'm gonna set the mic right here. I'm gonna go ahead and fire this one up. I've done something to this that helps with the process when you first install a motor and start it up. So I'm gonna go and start it up and see if it makes a difference. Here we go, fingers crossed. Oh yeah, big difference.
That was awesome.
Nice, quiet, smooth. That's great. Let me shut this off. Ooh, that sounds good. Okay, so I've backed the quiet one out of the bay and we're gonna go take a listen to it. Still super quiet, which is awesome. She's running right now. That's what I'm talking about. And now I'm curious. I want to go see this other one. Now, I'm downloading a tune, or uploading it, I should say, disabling the MBS. So when that's done, I'm going to start it up. I'm going to see how long it actually takes to quiet down. So this is going to be really interesting. I'm going to pause the video just for a second to finish the tune, and then I'll restart it, and we'll see how long it takes for it to quiet down. I'm curious. Okay, the tune is done. I'm going to put the mic up here on the battery where it was. I'm going to start a timer now, and we'll see how long it takes to shut up. So oil pressure is good, about 40 seconds so far. I'm going to do a trick that I like to do on these. It sounds like we have one lifter that's being really stubborn. So what I like to do is get it up to about, say, 1500, 2000 RPM, hold it there for a little bit, and then move it up to 2500 RPM, and then move it up to 3000 RPM, just kind of slowly, and then give it a chance for oil to get there and to pump up. So hopefully this lifter will shut up. This is some of the stuff you deal with Hemis. So anyway, glad you could be here with me to suffer. Okay, we're at a little over 5 minutes right now. She's quieted down a little bit, but the lifter still is ticking some, and it's got a little bit of a misfire, and I have an engine light on. So I'm gonna address that and see what's going on. Okay, little update, about 9 minutes in, and the engine code that I had on was for coil number 8, and so it wasn't clicked on all the way. And also the lifter is quieting down now, so I think the lifters pretty much are quiet, so let's just call it 9 minutes of ticking and whatnot. But it's good now. I'm getting ready to go test drive it. It's got a squeaky belt. I'm not concerned about that at the moment. I just want to make sure everything is good with the engine. This was the quiet startup. That was a noisy startup. And both of them are relatively quiet right now. I've got my extra mic right here, so I'm gonna let you hear the quiet one. That was quiet when it started up. Okay. This was the one that was super noisy. Yeah, there's got to be some kind of big difference with startups like that on as far as like how it is on the motor when you first put it in there. So anyway, I had to share that with you. They're both pretty quiet, but one of them was noisy as heck when you first started it up. If you're interested in how I did this, I've got a video right here you can watch. It's just an invention I came up with to help these Hemis start up quieter.